Alright, the next application or web-based thing that I'm going to be using is Autodraw.com. So by the name you can tell that this is a browser-based application. The reason I'm choosing it is because it allows the students or teacher to express creativity and can be done online or in person in the classroom. Obviously, being a browser-based thing, it does require technology, but this can be done through the teacher's computer. And you can kind of project it over so everyone can see it. My goal for this one is to create a creative spot for teachers or students and allow them to have an alternative method to learn. So obviously my target audience for this one is going to be for students, or I guess I could introduce it to peers. That way they have another method to teach. My ISTA standards are going to be 3.4D and 3.3C. 3.4D says that it is going to establish partnerships and support visions, learning priorities, and improve operations. And then 3.3C says inspire collaboration to explore and experiment with digital tools. So if we go online here to our browser, this is what you're going to see when you pull up Autodraw.com. It is going to be a just kind of blank canvas here. So what it's going to do is it allows you to draw, and it makes inferences about what you're attempting to draw. So say for instance I want to make a bike. Keep in mind I'm doing a trackpad, so I do not have as much, but even this broad thing, I can come up here and it can find out that I want to make a bike. Sees it in many different ways, even gives you different orientations of the bike. So that is the auto draw. It has just a draw where it just lets you draw. I can come in here and I can add text. I can say looking for lost bike, and then you have all that. You have a fill tool, so I can come in here and I can pick. Obviously I should probably pick my color first, so I can come down here and I can go, I want the background to be green so everyone can see my nice blue bike. And then I can also create shapes. I can choose between circle, square, or triangle. You can zoom in or you can undo. If you need help, you can come in here and you can they have a tutorial that shows you how to do it, how to auto draw, just to draw solo. Like I said, choose your color, your type tool, your shape tool, fill, and then you can move stuff around. It can be done from any device. If you click here, it gives you just a general keyboard shortcut showing you what does what. Really quick and easy. And then afterward, you can change your orientation of your paper. And then afterward, you can choose to download your drawing. And you can kind of make it a fun, creative little environment for the students that way as well.